I want to talk about why many small YouTubers are failing on YouTube. And you guys, you really need to watch this video until the end because it's going to help you if you are a new YouTuber. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, leave a comment and tell me where are you watching from. Yeah, so if you are a new YouTuber, you are so much welcome once again. Yes, and just join the family by subscribing. Tell us where are you watching from. Yes, if you are a returning subscriber, you are always the best because you keep me going. It's because of you that I am back with another video. Yeah, so guys, in this video we are talking about why many new YouTubers have failed on YouTube, or they are failing, or maybe they have even given up. They're like, I think YouTube is not for me. YouTube is for people who are celebrities. YouTube is for people who have made it. YouTube is for people who have money. YouTube is for people who, name it all. Yes, guys, I'm here to change your perspective, or I'm here to change the way you are thinking about YouTube. Yes, first of all, I want to remind you that you starting a channel, it's a great move and a great start for yourself. And it is something that you have, like, it's something that you have really done that a lot of people want to do, and they're still thinking on how to start and how to do it. Yes, so only that should push you to do better, because you are better than 1,000 people who are still thinking on, can I start? What will happen what will happen when I start? Yes, will people watch my video? Yes, you are better than them. Yes, so number one, let me talk about one of the things that is making a lot of YouTubers not fail on YouTube: overthinking. Before you even upload a video, before you even edit a video, you're already negative about it. You already in your mind, you already actually already know that it will not work. In your mind, you've already set your mind that this video will not go viral, this video will not go as expected. Like, you are thinking in out about the channel. And man, I would just want to remind you that you don't need to do all that, man. You just have to be focused. Yes, because when you're starting a channel, you won't expect millions of people to come and watch. If they do, it's good for you. Yes, and if they have not if they have not come in a huge number as you're expecting, man, you just have to ensure that you do the right thing on YouTube. Post a good video, ensure the video is okay, the audio is okay, ensure it has value. Post that video, and do not only post one, post as many as possible. Yes, because by you doing that, you are overcoming your fears about YouTube. You are overcoming your fears about failure. Yes, the other thing I want to talk about is comparisons. Okay, before I talk about comparisons, I want us to talk about high expectations. A lot of small YouTubers have high expectations about YouTube, whereby when they start a channel, they expect it to boost in just 24 hours. They are expecting to get millions of views in just 7 days. They are expecting to get 1,000 views in less than a month. But it might be possible, it may not be possible. But let me say it's not possible, depending on a few factors. What are you going to do? Are you going to give up? You've already begun. Are you going to give up? Definitely, personally, I want to give up. Yes. So high expectations is something that you really need to not to have. It's not bad for you to think high, like, about your channel, like maybe assume of how you want things to be tomorrow. But on the other hand, what am I insisting on is you doing a content and you expect millions of views. Because if you upload a video, let me assume at 3 p.m. and then you come back at 7 and it has no views, if your expectations are high, man, you're going to be so disappointed. And I don't think that the next day you will even have the energy to edit a video. I don't even think you will even have the energy to shoot another video, because you'll feel like, it's not like, this is not what I was expecting. Yes, so please do not be do not have a lot of expectations on YouTube, most especially if you are a new YouTuber, because in the first place, people don't know you. You are selling yourself. So it's a two-way. You might start and things just boom, your channel just blows up and gets views, watch hours, subscribers, and there are also possibilities of you starting a channel and it doesn't, and you struggle maybe for the next 2-3 years, or 1-2-3 years, and you're trying to push yourself. But what is the end game? Don't have a high expectation, because the moment you have that, you will give up easily on your channel. You will give up easily because you will feel like things are just moving the opposite way. Yes, the other thing I want us to talk about is comparisons. Guys, it's not bad for you to compare yourself with others on YouTube. It's not bad. It's actually, personally, apparently I do that, but I do it to push myself to be a better person. I do it to learn from other people. I do it to, but it should not be something that, if the moment you start doing comparisons and also compare people that maybe are higher in terms of views and subscribers with you, man, it will demoralize you as a person. You start feeling like maybe like you will start feeling like things are not working out as you're expecting in the first place. And also you'll start feeling like maybe if you're trying out that niche, things can work out, and yet maybe in the first place your kind of niche is good for you, but you just need time. You just need time to put up a lot of videos. Ensure that you put each video you're doing the final editings, you're putting up the titles, you're putting up the descriptions, you're putting up the tags, you're putting up the good thumbnail, like a lot of it. So what can I say? Stop doing comparisons with other YouTubers on your channel. It can let it only be in a positive way. You have seen another YouTuber and then you're like, okay, she does this and she does this. Why don't I try why don't I try it out and see how things will go? But if you are just doing comparisons and you're not doing anything about it, it will only end there and you will also be demoralized about it. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. See you in another video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me where are you watching from, and please, I have other videos right here. Just take time and watch them as well. They might be of interest to you.